Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to easily combine multiple videos into one on your iPhone. We'll be using iMovie, Apple's free video editing app. Let's get started. Step 1. If you don't already have iMovie, open the App Store, search for iMovie, and download it. It's completely free and made by Apple. Step 2. Once installed, open the iMovie app and tap on the plus icon to create a new project. Step 3. Select Movie from the options that appear. Step 4. You'll see your photo library. Select the first video you want to merge, then tap Create Movie at the bottom. Step 5. To add more videos, tap the plus icon in the upper right corner and select Video. Choose the next video you want to add from your library. Step 6. Arrange your videos in the timeline by pressing and holding to drag them into your preferred order. You can trim videos by tapping on them and dragging the yellow handles. Step 7. When you're satisfied with your merged video, tap Done in the upper left corner. Then tap the Share icon, the square with an arrow, and select how you want to save or share your new merged video. And that's it. Your videos are now merged into one continuous clip. iMovie also lets you add transitions, text, and music if you want to enhance your video further. It's the simplest way to combine videos on your iPhone. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.